Hello! Welcome to this super quick tutorial on how to center things in Webflow. This is a pretty common question I see, so I thought I'd just make a quick video and show you how I center things in Webflow, and I found it to be very quick and helpful. So the first thing you want to do if you are not using a template is go back and use a template. All joking aside, if you are playing around adding in different elements, there are two quick ways that you can center things. So the first is to come over here and grab a layout. These are pre-built layouts by Webflow. They're pretty phenomenal and should really cover you for most everything that you need. You can of course adjust them as necessary, but I use the cards section quite a bit. So card section is great because it's going to have, some imagery and dropped in centered text, and everything's already aligned for you. But if you wanted to keep it more simple, you're just doing a simple page, what have you, here are the quick, easy steps. First thing, grab a container. Why a container? Well, if you come over here, it shows you here in Webflow kind of what each of these layout items does, and the container, as you can see here, defaults everything to the center and keeps it centered. So that's the first key point, because when you start to align items, having them in a container is already going to keep it centered for you. So very helpful tip number one. The second thing once you do is make sure that everything is within the container and not sitting outside of it. That's the other thing that can kind of trick people up. So if it's sitting like this, it's not actually in the container. Perfect. Now, wait till you see how quick this comes together. You click on the container and you come over to your layout. This is where we're going to look at how the container acts within the window here. Quickest thing I know to do is to drag over here and make it a flex layout. Okay? So from there, we want to align things vertically, but we want to align them to the center and justified in the center. Now, just like that, in under 2 minutes, you have everything centered on your page. Everything is nice and responsive. You can see as you scale down that it keeps it all in the center. However, if you want to be sure that everything is still aligned in the center and your texts are aligned, make sure that you come in and center your text. There you go. Everything is good to go across all the different screen sizes, and that's all you had to do. From here, you want to be sure that you are spacing things out and giving a little bit of padding and margin where appropriate to some different items. So there you have it. That is a quick, simple tutorial on how I center things in Webflow. If you found this helpful, please give me the good old thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. Let me know in the comments if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see. If you need any help, check out my website. And until next time, bye.